People often ask me where did I come up with the name Stop Doing Nothing, or why do I use that phrase in all of our personal and professional development. And after thinking about it for a while, I realized that there are about 6 or 7 guiding principles in the world of Stop Doing Nothing, and I'd like to share those with you. The first one being done is better than perfect. To always, whether it's in your content or whether it's in your business, to always get small iterative improvements done in what you're doing rather than trying to focus on the big picture and bite off too much of the elephant at once. And so once you focus on done is better than perfect, you're going to get a lot more out in the world. Another philosophy that we kind of adopted here at Stop Doing Nothing is the idea of lifting people on your shoulders that come after you. Nobody does anything on their own, and we have to learn that the people that came before us guided our paths and made ways for us, and we always need to be doing that. We always need to be guiding people and lifting people behind us on our shoulders to greatness. Another thing that we often talk about here at Stop Doing Nothing is the fact that there are no really people that are born great or amazing. Each person has greatness inside of them. It's just up to each of us to bring that out and be brave and courageous enough to talk about that in the world. So don't ever believe that a certain person was born to be amazing and you weren't. You can be just as amazing as anybody as long as you have the belief and the courage and the willingness to share yourself with the world. Something else you have to realize when you want to do great things in the world is that everything that you've done has already been done by somebody else. And likely somebody else who was older than you and someone who didn't have as many resources as you did. So don't be afraid that you may be too old and you don't have enough money to accomplish something. Everything you've done has already been done, and it's just up to you to look at maybe somebody else's footsteps and figure out what they did and how resourceful they were to accomplish what they wanted to accomplish. Something that will really help you in the world and living in our world of Stop Doing Nothing is the idea of moving from I don't have enough time to this is not a priority for me. Once you can decide your priorities in your life and your business and kind of adjust everything in your calendar and in your schedule that way, you'll notice you get a lot more things done and you'll get the important things done. One of the things I learned early in life is that there's a complete difference between talent and skill. Talent is something that you have naturally that you're born with. However, skill only comes about after hours and hours and hours of practice. So don't ever worry that you're not talented about something. You can often make up with it with skill and becoming really disciplined and working on that talent, and you'll eventually have that same talent or skill that you see in other people that you aspire to have. And one of the final thoughts I'd like to share with you when it comes to how we develop Stop Doing Nothing is the fact that you have to be somewhat delusional in this world when it comes to aspiring to do great things. You can't be average. You have to be somewhat crazy, somewhat with the philosophy known in the financial world as the greater fool, to actually believe and be a little bit egotistical and know that you can accomplish things in this world that nobody else has ever accomplished before. So don't worry about being a little bit crazy or for people to say that you're a little bit out there. Remember, the greater fools and the people that are somewhat delusional are the only people who have ever made a major difference in this world. If any of these points have resonated with you, then please make sure you visit our website at StopDoingNothing.com and talk to someone on our team about how we can help you. We'd love to see you accomplish great things in this world, and we've got a team ready and willing to help you.